What you got, buddy?
I got some choo-choo train chocolate.
What kind of choo-choo trains are they?
White chocolate and milk chocolate.
Good job. What else do you have?
Lollipop.
Oh,
And
man.
a candy cane. And a chocolate. And a big Snickers.
Oh, man. That's a big Snickers. Yummy, yummy. Let's do some taste testing. What is that? A Yeti Snowman Lollipop. Can you get it? So what you got, buddy?
Lollipop, you can get in your mouth.
Let me see it. Oh, man. Put it in your mouth. It's teeth. Is it good?
Then you can put it back and taste them back.
Let me see the teeth in your mouth. Move your hand. Oh, man. Look at that. You look like a monster. Oh, man. What else you got?
It's a bag.
What is that? A chocolate snowman. Want to open that guy up and see how he tastes?
Yeah.
Let's open him.
Over him.
All right. We're going to the chocolate snowman. Daddy loves chocolate. Turn around so I can see his face. Oh, he is so adorable. Too bad he has to be eaten. Let me see. Oh,
It sounds like chocolate, like this chocolate.
it tastes like chocolate like that one?
Yeah.
That's cool. Let me see your train chocolates. Can I see those guys? That's pretty cool. A choo-choo train chocolate candy. Milk chocolate, yummy. White chocolate, yummy. What do you like better, dark chocolate or white chocolate?
Dark chocolate.
Good choice. That lollipop looks really good. And look at the Snickers you have. Have never seen a Snickers so big. Snickers Yard. That's pretty cool. And then you have a whole cup of candy canes, all kinds. What's your favorite color candy cane you like to eat?
Blue.
Yellow?
Blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh man, you look like a candy cane reindeer. That's pretty cool.
Take off now.
You love candy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. All right, well, thanks for sharing your candy with us.